जैसा कि आप सब लोग जानते हैं, हम लोग इकट्ठा हुए हैं यहाँ कि पंचायत के बाई इलेक्शंस करवाए जाएं। ऑलमोस्ट हर एक ब्लॉक में वैकेंसीज़ हैं। ज़्यादातर वैकेंसीज़ कश्मीर डिवीज़न में हैं, लेकिन हर ब्लॉक में एक वैकेंसी ज़रूर है, क्योंकि बीडीसी के चेयरमैन के इलेक्शन के बाद एक इंसान वहाँ चेयरमैन बन गया है, तो चेयरमैन बन जाने से एक कंस्टिट्यूएंसी खाली होती है। तो इस तरीके से इस इलेक्शन में हर एक ब्लॉक में, हर ज़िले में इलेक्शन होगा। अलबत्ता जो इलाके अभी भी स्नो बाउंड है, जैसे मड़वा वाड़वन है किश्तवाड़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट का, गुरेज है बांडीपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट का, सो ये सारे ब्लॉक को हम लोग बाद में करेंगे। एज पर एक्ट ये इलेक्शन 6 महीने में हो जाने चाहिए थे, लेकिन आप लोगों को पता है कि लोकसभा इलेक्शन अप्रैल में हुए, उसके बाद फर्स्ट टाइम बीडीसी चेयरमैन के इलेक्शन हुए सितंबर में, और जो पुराने इलेक्टोरल रोल थे जिसके ऊपर 2018 की इलेक्शन की गई थी, उसमें क्वालिफाइंग डेट सितंबर 2018 का था। सो जो लोग 2018 से लेकर के अभी तक 18 साल के हो गए हैं, उनका नाम भी दर्ज करना था। सो नवंबर महीने में हम लोगों ने इलेक्टोरल रोल के रिवीजन का कार्यक्रम शुरू किया, जो कि जनवरी महीने में इस साल पूरा हुआ। कश्मीर की सर्दी और बर्फ़बारी को ध्यान में रख कर के ये मुनासिब समझा गया कि इलेक्टोरल रोल का काम इमीडिएटली पूरा हो जाने के बाद इलेक्शन अनाउंस ना किया जाए। और अब चूंकि मौसम अब थोड़ा बेहतर हो रहा है, सो हम लोगों को ये कन्विंस हुआ कि अब इलेक्शन अनाउंस किया जा सकता है। सो कुछ फिगर्स, ये प्रेस नोट आप लोगों को हम लोग लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, इसकी एक कॉपी आप सब लोगों को मिल जाएगी। यूटी जो जम्मू कश्मीर का है, उसमें 285 ब्लॉक्स हैं, 137 कश्मीर डिवीज़न में और 148 जम्मू डिवीज़न में। पिछले साल आउट ऑफ 33,592 पंचेस and 4,290 सरपंचेस, 22,214 and 3,459 सरपंचेस were elected during November-December 2018. So there was huge gap. And after conduct of BDC chairman election in October 2019, 307 vacancies became available for elections. So district-wise details are like this. Kupwara, there are 24 blocks. We will be going for election in 21 blocks. Vacant Panchayat Halka in Kupwara district is 25 and Panch 768. Baramulla 26 blocks in total. All 26 blocks will go for election. For filling up 148 vacant Panchayat Halka vacancy and 2,163 Panch vacancies.
140?
148. Bandipur 12 blocks, 9 blocks will get into election to fill up 45 Sarpanch vacancies and 603 Panch vacancies. Gandarbal 7 blocks, all 7 blocks will get into election to fill up 41 Sarpanch vacancies and 685 Panch vacancies. Srinagar 4 blocks, all 4 blocks will get into election to fill up 9 vacant Sarpanch vacancy and 155 Panch vacancy. Badgaon, all 17 blocks will get into election to fill up 157 Sarpanch constituency and 1941 Panch constituencies. All 11 blocks of Pulwama will be having elections to fill up 151 Sarpanch vacancies and 1437 punch vacancies. Similarly, all blocks of Shopian will get into election to fill up 73 Sarpanch vacancies and 752 punch constituencies. Out of 11 blocks of Kulgam, 8 will get into election to fill up 103 Sarpanch vacancies and 968 punch vacancies. Anantnag, all 16 blocks will be into election to fill up 135 Sarpanch vacancies and 1995 punch vacancies. So out of 137 blocks of Kashmir division, 128 divisions will get into election to fill up 887 Sarpanch vacancies and 11,457 punch vacancies. In Jammu division, situation is slightly better. In Kishtwar, 11 blocks out of 13 will get into election to fill up 10 Sarpanch vacancies and 9 punch vacancies. All blocks of Doda district will get into election to fill up 16 Sarpanch vacancies and 17 punch vacancies. Ramban, vacancy of Sarpanch is 10 and punch 19. Udhampur, 16 Sarpanch and 15 punch. Riyasi, 9 Sarpanch and 14 punches. Kathua, 19 Sarpanches, 19 punches. Samba, 5 Sarpanches, 20 punches. Jammu, 15 Sarpanches and 25 punches. Rajouri, 16 Sarpanches, 26 punches. Punch, 8 Sarpanches, 18 punches. So in Jammu division, we have 148 blocks, out of which in 146 blocks elections will be held to fill up 124 Sarpanch vacancies and 182 punch vacancies. So in total, with this by-election, we are going to fill up 1,011 Sarpanch vacancies and 11,639 punch vacancies. 11,639. So as per SRO 35 of 27th January 2020 and SRO 53 of 10th February 2020, reservation of constituencies will remain the same as it was during 2018 elections. And thereby, the term of the elected candidates through these elections would be not for 5 years. They will be elected for remaining period. Documents for identification at the polling station has been notified separately, and it is the same as it was during 2018 election. The polling stations have been created and notified as per the Panchayat Halka and proposal sent by the Deputy Commissioners. These elections, ballot boxes will be used, which has been arranged and sent to the respective districts. There will be general observers and expenditure observers for every constituency. The names of observers and micro observers will be notified in due course of time. There will be expenditure register for every candidate who is contesting election. The maximum limit of expenditure to be made by Sarpanch is 1 lakh rupees per constituency, and for Panch it is 30,000 rupees per constituency. The expenditure observers will be very closely monitoring the expenditure of all the candidates. All critical events will be videographed, and whenever it is required, it will be viewed by the media as well as the officials of the election department. Voter slips will be provided to all the voters at their houses through the Deputy Commissioners. Postal ballot paper is being provided to the Kashmiri migrants. as it was provided during 2018 election. From now onwards, Model Code of Conduct is in force, and it will be implementable in all the places where elections are being held. So largely it is rural area, but especially in the blocks where the elections are being held. Schedule of elections. There will be 8 phases of elections. For Jammu division, it is 4 phases. For Kashmir division, it is 8 phases. The first notification for the first phase would be issued on 15th of February, that is day after tomorrow. Last date of making nomination for the first phase would be 22nd February. Date of scrutiny on 24th February. Last date for withdrawal of candidature is 26th February, and date of poll, wherever it is necessary, will be 5th of March. Similarly, for second phase, 17th February, 24th February, 25th February, 27th February is the last date of withdrawal, and 7th March would be date of poll. For third phase, notifications will be issued by the Deputy Commissioner on 19th February, and 9th March would be the date of poll. Fourth phase, 22nd February, will be the notification date, and 12th March will be the date of poll. Fifth phase would be starting from 24th of February, and the voting will take place on 14th of March. Sixth phase notification will be issued on 26th of February, and voting will take place on 16th of March. On 28th of February, 7th phase election notification will be issued by the concerned Deputy Commissioner, and 18th March will be the date of poll. Last phase notification will be issued on 29th of February, and voting will take place on 20th of March. Polling hours will be from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Counting shall take place on the same date, followed by announcement of the results. The districts which are going for poll, phase-wise distribution is as it is. Phase 1, Riyasi, Udhampur, Samba, Jammu, Rajouri and Poonch in Jammu division. Phase 2, Doda, Ramban, Riyasi, Udhampur and Poonch. Phase 3, Doda, Udhampur and Jammu. Phase 4, Kiswar, Ramban, Udhampur, Kathua and Poonch. For Kashmir division, Baramulla will be going for elections in 7 phases, Anantnag in 8 phases, Kulgam in 8 phases, Pulwama in 8 phases, Shopian in 8 phases, Badgam in 6 phases, Bandipur in 7 phases, Shopian in 8 phases, Ganderbal in 6 phases, and Srinagar in single phase, that is first phase. Block-wise details with corresponding date of notification and date of poll is annexed with this press note, so you can have it later on. Model Code of Conduct document has also been made ready, so that is also available to you.